Welcome to Global Defense Zone, your premier source for in-depth analysis of the world's most advanced military technologies, cutting-edge weapon systems, and the strategic dynamics that shape global security. If you're passionate about understanding how modern defense systems protect nations and change warfare, you've come to the right place. Before we jump into today's detailed exploration, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Global Defense Zone, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. Also, don't forget to share this video with friends and fellow defense enthusiasts who want to stay informed about the future of military technology. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of directed energy weapons with a focus on the United States groundbreaking system known as Helios, the high-energy laser and integrated optical dazzler with surveillance. As modern battlefields become increasingly complex and contested, traditional kinetic weapons are being complemented by revolutionary laser technologies. Helios represents a major leap forward in this domain, offering rapid, precise, and cost-effective defense against a variety of emerging threats. Helios was developed by the U.S. Navy to provide an advanced laser defense system capable of neutralizing drones, small boats, unmanned aerial vehicles, and other fast-moving threats that conventional weapons find challenging or expensive to handle. Unlike traditional missiles or projectiles, laser weapons deliver energy at the speed of light, enabling instantaneous targeting with minimal logistical footprint. This reduces the need for costly ammunition resupply and offers near-infinite magazine capacity as long as electrical power is available. The concept of Helios integrates multiple advanced technologies. It combines a high-energy solid-state laser with optical dazzler systems that can impair sensors or temporarily blind enemy equipment without causing permanent damage. This dual functionality allows the system to flexibly respond to different threat types, from lethal destruction to non-lethal disruption. Additionally, the integrated surveillance component enhances situational awareness, enabling real-time tracking and engagement of targets with exceptional precision. Developed as part of the U.S. Navy's initiative to deploy directed energy weapons on surface ships, Helios was designed to address the growing challenge posed by swarms of inexpensive drones and fast attack craft, which can overwhelm traditional defense systems. Its compact size and modular design allow for integration into existing ship platforms, enhancing their layered defense architecture without requiring extensive redesign. Technologically, Helios employs a solid-state laser, which offers high efficiency, reliability, and ease of maintenance compared to earlier chemical lasers. Solid-state lasers use semiconductor diodes and crystal gain media to produce a coherent laser beam. This technology is scalable, meaning power output can be increased by combining multiple laser modules. The system can deliver energy in continuous wave or pulsed modes, adapting to mission requirements. One of the critical advantages of Helios is its ability to engage targets at the speed of light, leaving virtually no time for evasive maneuvers. The laser beam causes rapid heating and damage to target components, such as sensors, control surfaces, or engines, leading to mission kill or destruction. For non-lethal engagements, the optical dazzler can confuse or disable cameras and sensors, preventing targeting or reconnaissance. Helios was first publicly demonstrated in the late 2010s and has undergone extensive testing aboard naval vessels. The U.S. Navy envisions deploying it alongside traditional missile interceptors and gun systems to create a multi-layered defense shield capable of addressing a broad spectrum of threats. This layered approach increases survivability and effectiveness, especially in contested littoral zones where asymmetric threats are prevalent. Beyond the tactical advantages, Helios offers significant operational and cost benefits. Unlike missiles, which are expensive and limited in number, laser weapons only require electrical power, which can be generated on board ships or bases. This dramatically reduces cost per shot and enables sustained defensive operations without supply chain constraints. Furthermore, the precision nature of lasers minimizes collateral damage, making them suitable for complex environments like crowded ports or urban areas. While Helios represents a substantial advancement, It also faces technical challenges. Atmospheric conditions such as fog, rain, dust, or smoke can scatter or absorb laser energy, reducing effectiveness. Engineering solutions like adaptive optics and beam control systems are employed to mitigate these issues, but weather remains a limiting factor. Additionally, integrating Helios into existing platforms requires careful consideration of power generation, cooling, and targeting systems. Strategically, Helios signals the U.S. military's commitment to directed energy weapons as a key component of future warfare. Its development aligns with broader trends toward multi-domain operations, where space, cyber, and electromagnetic capabilities converge with traditional kinetic forces. By fielding Helios, the U.S. Navy enhances its ability to counter emerging threats like drone swarms and fast small craft, which are increasingly common in modern conflicts worldwide. Comparatively, other nations are also advancing laser weapons, such as Israel's Iron Beam and Russia's Peresvet system. However, Helios stands out due to its combination of lethal and non-lethal capabilities, integration with surveillance, and focus on naval deployment. This makes it uniquely suited to the complex maritime security environment faced by the U.S. and its allies. Looking forward, Helios is expected to continue evolving, with increased power output, improved targeting algorithms, and expanded operational roles. Future versions may incorporate artificial intelligence to autonomously detect and engage threats, further enhancing reaction times and reducing operator workload. The integration of Helios into joint force architectures promises to redefine naval and expeditionary warfare in the decades to come. In summary, Helios embodies the cutting edge of directed energy weapon technology, combining high-energy laser power with advanced optical disruption and surveillance capabilities. It offers rapid, precise, and cost-effective defense against a wide range of modern threats, particularly in maritime environments. As one of the most advanced laser systems in the world, Helios represents a crucial step toward the future battlefield dominated by speed, precision, and technological superiority. Thank you for watching this in-depth analysis on Global Defense Zone. If you found this video informative and insightful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and fellow defense enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more high-quality content on the latest military technologies. Stay tuned for more exclusive videos covering advanced weapon systems, strategic defense developments, and global security trends. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.